Hello, trader. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name is AbuAG001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to notify. Don't forget to on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the video I'm dropping next. Yeah, happy new week. Happy new week. May this week favor us and may all be successful and may all be successful, profitable in our trading journey in another case we are doing in this week, and may this week favor us. Seriously, it's been, let's just do our daily analysis. Let's see what we have. You already know on Monday we start from monthly time frame so that we can see what the market is doing and which the trend the market is continuing. So as for now, please, I urge you to all my subscribers, kindly please watch the video from the start to the end. You will gain one or two things from it. And to those of you that my video just pump up to your screen, kindly please subscribe. Don't scroll up, oh, please kindly subscribe before you scroll up so that you'll be the first person to learn from this video where I'm dropping next. So let's move to the chart. Let's see what the chart has for us. Before we move to the chart, we check the fundamental analysis which requires for factory to see maybe there is high impact news or there is not high impact news in the market, so that we can know how we can stay away from the market. So this is Forex factory, and you can see the Forex factory. This is what we are having. There is no high impact news. Seriously, there is no high impact news, but we do not know, maybe Trump is going to tweet this seriously, because if there is war in the market, there is fear in the if there is war, there is fear in the market, and if there is in fundamental analysis, there is in fundamental analysis, we give the fear to the markets, and it will give confidence to the markets. This is what the fundamental analysis do. If there is anything in the world, so the market will be fear. Some people will be fighting where to invest, and the investors will be fear that where do they invest their money or where do they not invest their money. So let's move to the chart. Since there is no fundamental analysis, there is no news. So this is our forest factory. This is our trading view, and you already know we started from monthly time frame, and this is our key level here. What we do on key level, the key level is multiple rejection and the turning point. You can see this is the key level here. This is the key level over here. This is the multiple rejection key level here, and this is the turning point to down the key level here, and this is another turning point here. You can see. So we are expecting the market, this key level. If market does not hold, this will hold. So since we have seen that market is in the uptrend from daily time, from monthly time frame, we move to weekly time frame. What do we do on weekly time frame? On weekly time frame too, I will just key level. This is our key level. This is our first key level here, because this is the low. This is the higher low that give us this higher high. This is just internal key level. So this is another key level here, but then these are last key level over here. This key level, this key level here, it has turned to what you can see. It has turned to resistance to support. You can see these are key level. This resistance to support. These are key level here, but the market, it will be too large if you are. Yeah, the chart will be rough if we say we should be plotting those key level, but we just plotted the mini, the major key level. Sorry for that. This is the major key level. This is the higher low, and this is the higher high. But all this one start as was internal liquidity key level, because it does not reduce 50%. And if you see the market came back to this FEG. This is where the market mitigated this FEG here. You can say this FEG over here. This is where the market mitigated FEG. After market mitigated this, so let's move to, since we have followed our key level and we have seen where the market reacted, so let's move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. What do we do on daily time frame? Only just the main swing high and the swing low. This is our main swing high. You can see that's our main swing high, and this is the main swing low. As for me, this is the main swing low, but we can set this as our another swing low, manual swing low, because that is turning point. That is turning point also, but we gats be careful. We gats be careful with this swing low, because if it's breaking this one, this is what's valid swing. It is valid what? It's valid swing low. But let's see if the market is come back, the test and continue downtrend. So this is another swing low here. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to see what the 4 hour time frame is trying to tell us. But if you can see here, we are having what? We are having market structure shifts here. On daily time frame, we are having market structure shift on daily time frame. This is market structure shift on daily time frame. And what the market is trying to do, this is another this is our liquidity for me. I'm expecting the market to go up. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to join the recent trend of 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the recent trend, and you can see this is where the market. This is market structure shift we plotted on what? On daily time frame. But let's now read the recent trend of 4 hour time frame. You can see this is the last break of structure that mitigated the FEG. For those of you, if you don't understand, kindly check my bio. You will see my Telegram link. Message me. I will reply you. For those of you that cannot enter my DM, kindly comment section. I will attend to you seriously. And let's go back. This is the internal break of structure, and we are having change of character here. You can see the change of character. This is the change of character, and we are having another break of structure here. This is break of structure, internal break of structure, and this is what we are having in the market today. You can see this is what we are having in the market today. This is the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure, and this is the demand zone that give us what? That give us this break of structure. This is the demand zone, because in the market we have demand and supply. Seriously, that is what we have in the market. And as for me, this is the other block that give us what? This is the other block. This is demand, and inside that demand we have other block. That is the inside the demand we used to have other block. So this is what we are having, other block. This is the other block we are having here. But to what? To confirm the market, we gats be patient on this demand. If this demand is the one that give us that we are trading up. But as for me, this is the last break construction on 4 hour time frame. And since I've plotted the demand, this is the main demand, and this is the other block, and this is liquidity swept market. Rather give this is as for me, this is liquidity swept. Liquidity swept. So this is what we are seeing on 4 hour time frame. So let's go to 1 hour time frame to redefine the market on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is our demand. It's aligned with it, and these are what? These are other block. So we guys be patient on this other block. We got to be patient on this other block. You can see this is where the other block is. After market indicated the other block is trying to push it up, and there's FEG here. But we got to be patient since we do not see opportunity on 1 hour time frame. But as for me, I'm still expecting the market to want to get this SVG before we can see the uptrend, because market is giving us the valid uptrend vibes. This is the supply that pushed the market down. You can see the supply that pushed the market down. This is the main supply that and this is another supply that market may react on it. This is another supply I'm expecting the market to mitigate. You can see before you can see another downtrend. This is the supply I'm expecting the market. This is the next supply I'm expecting the market to mitigate. Before you can see another correctional movement, before you can see continuation movement, this is supply that can make the market do correctional movement before the what continuation movement. So this is the main supply that market mitigator, and this supply has come to resistance. So market is going to break it, retest, and mitigate this. So I'm still looking for uptrend. So on 1 hour trend, we are still expecting the market to mitigate this what this this supply before we can say anything. So let's move to 15-minute time frame to join the market. This is 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I see market has swept this liquidity, but what I'm expecting now, this is what the market is giving. Market is giving us break of structure here, and market is giving us what is giving us is giving us market mitigation here. So we are still expecting the uptrends. As for me, I'm still expecting the uptrend. So if you want to expect, let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's plot this FEG. This FEG. So market may come back to this FEG, continue the uptrend. This is what I'm expecting. Let's use 1 hour FEG to take the trade. So let's see what the market is. Let's see what the market have before we can continue the uptrend. So I'm still expecting bullish on what on gold also. I'm still expecting bullish on gold, and our TP will be our stop loss will be over there. And our first TP will be here, but market is going to break this place, continue the uptrend. So this is our first TP. Let's market mitigate this first TP. You can see, but market is still going up. As for me, market is going up. Hey, sorry for that. Market is going up. You can see, let's see. I think this is 1 hour. This is 1 hour supply. This is 1 hour supply. So that is where we are taking our take profits seriously. This is what I'm seeing on gold. I'm still seeing buy. I'm seeing valid buy on gold. Seriously, you can see this is the buy I'm seeing. You can see I'm still seeing buy on gold. So let's wait for the market. The patience is the key to success, and consistency is the key to success. So if you are patient enough, seriously market will come to your side and mitigate your setup. So let's move to silver. Let's see what silver is doing. Silver and gold are already know they move together. So on silver, this is our key level. This is the high market key, market broken, and this is our key level here. And these are another key level inside this is our key level. You can see turning point key level, and these are multiple rejection key level. This is multiple rejection. So we are expecting the market here, or so let's just be focused. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our key level here. These are our key level here, and this is another key level. You can see these are key level here, but this is where I'm expecting the key level. This is our key level here. So this is the key level I'm expecting, and this is what I'm expecting on 4 hours time frame. This is the key level. The market has broken there. So let's see what is happening. These are key level here, turning point key level. But I'm still expecting this low as key level. As making oh, I'll give this high. This one is gonna give this high. This one, this low is the one that give us this high. This low is the one that give us this high, but market has broken it. The market has swept it as liquidity. So market has mitigated this LPG. Market swept this liquidity, you can see. mitigated this as FEG. So there is what? There is FEG on what? On gold. There is FEG on silver also. There is FEG. You can see the FEG on silver. Market has mitigated the FEG on silver. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what we have on daily time frame. This is our what? This is our swing high. This is our last swing high. You can see, and this is the low. So if market is coming back, less this if low, this demand can push it up. If the all this we want to expect those, so this phase is going to sweep it up. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Since we have seen the market has mitigated this FEG, and we have seen this is what we see market structure shift on what? On daily time frame also. Market structure shift on daily time frame also. You can see market mitigated this market structure shift. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour is telling us. This is what 4 hour is telling us. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame that mitigated the FEG, internal break of structure, and this market shifts have turned to valid change of character. You can see valid change of character, valid change of character, and we are seeing internal break of structure here. This is internal break of structure, and this is what we are seeing. Market has mitigated this other block, so this is demand market give us. You can see the demand. This is the demand market give us. Demand, demand zone. These are our demand zone. So if the market does not push up, definitely we are expecting the market to come and mitigate this demand. We are expecting this demand could give us what to give us bullish. But as for me, market has swept this liquidity. This is an liquidity swept for me. And if we try to use if we try to use Fibonacci retracement, you will see the market as what can see. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see if you can continue the trend on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, and this is the last break of structural market giving us. And this is what the trend. This is a liquidity stretch for me. You can say this this is liquidity stretch for me. And to take this trade, we guys move to 15-minute time frame. We guys move to 15-minute time frame, or 15-minute time frame is good. So this is 15-minute time frame. This is what we are seeing on 15-minute time frame. This is an market structure shift. So this is another block for us. That this is an order block for us. This is an order block for us. So let me close the trade. I've opened since last week on gold. Market has triggered it. So let me re-enter for this new opportunity, for this fresh opportunity. Let me just close this market. So let me re-enter for that opportunity, for new opportunity. We just on the line. We just plotted on gold and silver. Seriously. I'm still using my demo. I'm still using my foreignness competition demo account to. If you want to help me, kindly help me. I seriously, I do not mind of $10, $100, $1,000, any amount you have. For those of you that you are using my signal, please kindly please use proper risk management. Where I put the stop loss, please put the stop loss there. Put the stop loss there. Seriously. So let's move to US 30. US 30 is a stock market. Yeah, because it's a US 30 is a common testing company. 13 company in USA, 13 companies in USA. So it's a stock market. This gold and silver is a commodity market. A commodity market is a goods, you understand, is a goods that someone invests like wheat, maize, you understand, gold, silver, and the oil too is a commodity because it's a good that they are using, that is transferring from one place to another, that is they are using. Mhm. Cocoa too is a goods that they are using also. So this is what we are taking. Let's take this gold. I'm enter with this gold. So that's its hit. And that gold and silver, I'm using my demo account to, as I said the other time, if you have $10, please just help your brother out. $10, $100. I don't mind any dollar you have, just send it to me. I will use it to be practiced seriously. That is what so as I said, we just react to the market. We follow what the market gave us, and we did not what we just react to the market. That is the that is the rule of the market. We are not doing gambling here. That is the reason why we are different from those gamblers. You understand? Because in here we did not predict to the market. We just react to the market. This is what the market gave us, and we react to what the market gave us. If it's easy, so if you have anybody that is arguing with you that this is a gambling market, this is a gambling stuff, so tell them to come and join it, to come and do it if it's easy. So let them know that we are not gambling here. We are a trader, and a trader is a financial market, while a gambling is a what? Gambling is a gambling market. So let me play straight before we move to US 30. US 30, we still have some hours. Let me place this. Let me place this gold, this silver also. So we are having opportunity on silver also. We are having opportunity on silver also for 15-minute time frame. That is what we are having, and we are placing our trade over here. We are buying also. We are buying from here, and mm, and our stop loss will be here, and our take profit will be here in as well. So it's either we wait for the market to what? To mitigate our entry point, than to be chasing the market up and down. As you already know, if you have been looking at previous video, you will see that I have to say that I'm not placing any trade up and down again. I see the setup, place the mark, buy place my trade as buy limit. Market should trigger me in and continue the uptrend, and continue whatever the market is, and continue the trend. That is what I'm doing now. I'm not doing gambling. Yes, as I said the other time, trading is not a gambling, but for you that you are trading it without any knowledge on it, you are a gambler. Your strength trading platform is not a gambling, but as for you that you are trading it without anything, you can call you a gambler. So you don't call trading platform as a what? As a gambling platform, because it is controlled by the what? By the economic of the by the area of economic of the each countries. So this is controlled by the economic of the countries, by traveling, by trading, by investors. You can see that it is far different from gambling. So let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us now. I'm not trading. The crypto is not for now. Let's trade US 30. Let's pass on it. So US 30, this for monthly time frame. This is what we are having in monthly time frame. You can see this is the key level. This is the key level here. This is the key level here. This is the key level. This is the key level. And I always said that market is retracing up. So let's move to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. This is what. As for me, this is our turning point here. And we can say this is our turning point here also. This is our turning point. This is our turning point key level here also. These are turning point key level here also. So markets, this is what we are expecting. Those are our key level. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, we are going to do our swing high and our swing low. This is our swing high now, and this will be our swing low. You can see this will can be our swing low now. The where market is, it can be our swing low. So what we are seeing now, this is the supply that is pushing the market down. You can see this is the supply that's pushing the market down. But as for us on daily time frame, this is what we are seeing. This is what change of character. You can see we are what we are in uptrend. This is still change of character, and this is change of character order block we are having. So we are expecting the market to mitigate it here before we can see what the bullish again. This is change of character order block. And I think this is supply we are expecting the market to mitigate again because market showed this liquidity. But as for now, this is on daily time frame. On daily time frame, this is an correctional movement for downtrend. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is trying to tell us. This is 4 hour time frame, and you can see what the market is trying to do. We are having order block here. This is change of character on 4 hour time frame. This is change of character. This break of structure, sorry. And this is the what this is the demand zone that give us what that other block. Since we are in what we are in 1 hour. So since we are in 4 hours, you already know I said demand and supply are for daily and what 4 hours time frame. So other block is for 1 hour. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is demand zone on 4 hour time frame. This is what demand zone. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's redefine the trend. This is what as for me, this is this other block, and this other block has changed to breaker block, and this breaker block we wanted to mitigate it. After mitigating it, we are going downtrend. So as for some people that want to take the trade, you can just trade the trade now. So you can just join the trade. But let's see 5 minutes. Let's see what 5 minutes is trying to do, and this our stop loss, because you can see this is another key level here. You can see multiple rejection there. So we are expecting here. So let's move to 50 minutes. Let's see what 50 minutes is trying to do. This is 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we can see what if we can see if you can see market close the gap. Let's the mark What we are expecting on 15-minute time frame now is just to wait for the market to close the gap. After closing the gap, we are continuing downtrend. This is what we are having. If the market can close this gap, we are continuing downtrend, and the stop loss will be here. This is where the stop loss is going to be. You can see how this is where the stop loss is going to be. So we are expecting the market to close the gap. After closing the gap, we are seeing we are going for bearish. It's bearish downtrend. This is bearish. This is a bearish trend. We are expecting bearish trend. So our stop loss will be here. You can see the trend. Let me just place this trade also. I'm just placing the trade, so I know that to let you believe that. Let me just US US 30. Let me show you that I'm placing the trade so that you just say it's just placing, it's just teasing us. This is you can see the You can see this is gold and silver I placed. I want to place the US 30 now. But if it's my life account, I will just place only just one trade on my life account. That's it. I will not do too much. I will just place only just one trade on my life account and continue that trade. That's what I used to do. Because I have rules. I have rules. I used to place just one trade on my after my rules, so I'll just leave the market. So we are taking the downtrend. So we are taking the downtrend. TP, let our TP be here. So this is, you can see that I've placed it now. See, you can see I've placed it. I've placed this here. Yeah, you can see the red. I've placed the red. The blue is for buy. The sell is for red. So this is what I'm seeing. So let's go to another pair. So we are taking the sell from here, and our stop loss will be above here. So let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is trying to do. I think GU is waiting for sell. For monthly time frame on GU, on GU, this is our monthly time frame. This is our multiple rejection. This is what you can see. This is support turn to resistance, and you can see those support again turn to resistance again. So I'm expecting the market to mitigate here before anything, and you can see this is multiple rejection, which has turned to liquidity swept. So if market come back here, it's going up, but this is the recent trend. I'm expecting the market to mitigate before you can see any reaction. I'm expecting here and this year since the market is uptrend. Let's move to daily time frame, weekly time frame. Sorry, this is weekly time frame. These are key level here. These are another key level here, and these are turning point key level here. So this is what we are having in the market now. You can see what we have in the market now. These are the points. These are key level, the recent key level we are having in the market now. These are key level here. This is because this is the one that give us this high, and this is the one that give us this previous high. So this is the recent turning point here. So let's move to daily time frame. These are daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame. This is our swing high here, and this is our swing low here. And you can see on daily time frame, we are having what break of structure here, and this is our previous break of structure. And this is the demand. This is the demand that gave us this break of structure here. This is the demand. You can see the demand. This is the demand that gave us this break of structure here. So if we are expecting the market to come down, market may come down. But now, as you can see the correctional movement, let's just read the correctional movement on trade. On daily time frame, this are break of structure here, and these are another break of structure here. So this is what we are having. We are having break of structure here, and we are having break of structure here. No, 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 no. This is what we are having, and we can see this supply. This supply has turned to resistance. You can see this is the first supply that give us this second supply, and this second supply, this place has turned to what? Resistance. Market has pushed down back. And I said it last week that this will turn as to resistance, which market is going to turn. So this is what we are having now. You can see what we are having, and inside the market, we are having what? Market structure shifts. You can see the market structure shift here. Market structure shifts. This is it, MSS. So if the market is probably coming down, there is FEG here. there's FEG here. Because this space serve as liquidity swept, you can see it serve as liquidity swept. It serve as liquidity swept, and we are having FEG here. And anything, we are expecting the market to continue the uptrend from here, because this resistance need to break seriously. But as for now, let's just continue the downtrend the market gave us. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. What we are expecting, expecting huge sell to down. This is what we are expecting. So this is an FEG. Market need to mitigated. Market need to close this FEG before we can see anything or downtrend. We are seeing, sorry, we are expecting downtrend from here. And our stop loss will be above here. So anything we are seeing that market broken this place, definitely the uptrend has started. So we are taking our stop loss will be, our take profit will be here. And if market mitigated this place, definitely what we are buying from here again, continue the uptrend seriously. So let's just wait. Let's see what the market is trying to do. This is what I'm seeing. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, and the market need to close this FEG before anything. Market needs to close this FEG before we can see the downtrend. You can see all these places are serve as liquidity, market need to sweat. All these places are serve as liquidity, market need to sweat. Liquidity, they have served as liquidity. You can see they have served as liquidity, market need to sweat on 1 hour time frame. And this is as a key level. You can see this key level, you can see. Let's see market is coming back here and continue the downtrend. So let's just be expecting the sell to down. This is what we are selling. And let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see 15-minute time frame. We are expecting the FEG to be closed there. If the FEG is closed, we are continuing the downtrend. And you can see the liquidity. You can see there is multiple rejection here which serve as liquidity. So on 1 hour time frame, we are expecting the buy from here while we are expecting the sell. Let's just first sell before we can buy. Let's move to EU. Let's see what EU is doing. GU and EU, they are the same thing, they are the same trend. Let's move to monthly time frame as usual. You will see what is happening on monthly time frame now. As I used to say, the key level, this is support to resistance key level. You can see support to resistance here, and this is what multiple rejection key level here. You can see multiple rejection key level here, and there is key level also here. So what we just have now is just to continue the trend. Since market has not touched it here, so let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what we have on weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame for us. And this is an key level for me. You can see the key level. Market touches this, go up. So this is another key level here. You can see the multiple rejection key level. Multiple rejection key level. And this is a turning point key level. You can see the turning point key level here. So this is what we are having. Let's now move to daily time frame. This is daily time frame, and this is what we are having on daily time frame here. As for me, this is liquidity swept already, because this is our swing high, this is our swing low, and this is another swing low here. But this is another swing high. But market has swept this liquidity, serve as liquidity. This place serve as liquidity. Market swept. After market swept it, so mitigated this major demand zone. Market mitigated that major demand zone. So on daily time frame, these are last break of structure on daily time frame. You can see, and market has already given us a change of character here. change of character. That is change of character. And market has already give us in that change of character. You can see this is another market structure shift my market gave us. You can see the market structure, and we are having what? We are having FEG here. This is where we are having the FEG, and this is the market structure shift market gave us. And let's now find where we can buy. We are buying now. We are buying the market now. As for me, we are buying the market now. This is the FEG that puts the market down. I've known that this FEG is going to push the market down. This is FEG that puts the market down. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see the recent trend on 4 hour time frame. This is the recent trend on 4 hour time frame. This is what we are seeing on 4 hour time frame. We are seeing what? We are seeing supply. We are seeing what? We are seeing what? We are seeing the uptrend. So this is what we are having. We are having the buy from here. So let's just see what the market is trying to give us. But this will serve as a little bit what there's FEG here. But on daily time frame, there is no FEG over there. After market swept this place, you can see there's no FEG. This is where the FEG is. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is giving us. This is 4 hours time frame. And what we are seeing, there's FEG here. This is another market downtrend. Let's move to 1 hour time to feed the downtrend. This will serve as what? This serve as liquidity for me. This serve as liquidity market need to sweat. Or we can say trend line liquidity. You can see trend line liquidity market need to sweat. But as for me, this is the break of short market gave us on 1 hour time frame. Internal break of structure. But on GU, let's see GU. Let's see GU. You can see GU does not give us break of structure, but this gives us break of structure. But I've studied the market. EU, sometimes if EU is faster than GU, it waits for GU to be moving together. If GU is faster than EU, the EU is going to GU is going to wait for GU is going to wait for EU to continue together. So this is what. Sorry, sorry. Let me lose my first one. This is what I'm seeing. There's FEG here, which I'm expecting the market to close. So there's what liquidity down. So this is what I'm expecting. Let's just wait for the market. Let's see what the market is. But as for me, the this is what this FEG is from daily time frame. But this is the liquidity. This is market structure shift, and this is the low that gives this market structure shift. So I'm expecting the market to come down here, come and close the FEG. If market is coming to that FEG, so this will but there is what there's liquidity here, and this is what we are. This is what we are having. Let's see if you can see a valid downtrend before anything. Let's see the market if the FEG is going to close and continue the downtrend. So I'm expecting the FEG to close. So I'm expecting the FEG to close. So let's see. This is 50-minute time frame, and this is what we are expecting for the market. Seriously. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. Let's see what UJ has for us also. This is UJ. So I'm still expecting the sell, but let's start from monthly time frame. This is our key level here. This is our last key level. We are expecting the market to mitigate anything. This is what we are expecting. and these are key level the market has mitigated. Those are key level. You can see these are key level multiple rejection. One, two. Market mitigated again before continue. You can see market touch it before continue. These are key level. You can see market broken in, touch it and continue the uptrend. So these are our key level here. Let's move to weekly time frame key level. Let's find weekly time frame. As for me, these are key level here, and this another key level for me. This is the turning point key level here. This is turning point key level here. You can see market touch it, go down, market touch it again. Before let's see what is happening. These are another key level here, but market has already mitigated that key level. This key level here, you can see market has already mitigated it. I'm talking about this key level. Market has already touched it. But that key level is very strong because we still have multi-carrier key level there. So so let's move to daily time frame. These are daily time frame. As for me, this is the last break of structure and this is the demand. This is the demand. You can see the demand. And this demand has already give us liquidity swept already. This is an liquidity swept. This is liquidity swept. You can see the liquidity swept. After the liquidity swept, let's move to 4 hours time frame. And this is our swing high now. This is our swing high now. And these are our swing low. And these are our previous swing high. And these are our previous swing low. Let's now move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what the trend is trending us for 4 hour time frame. This is what the trend is telling us for 4 hour time frame. We do not know what this is, what liquidity swept already on 4 hour time frame. This is an liquidity swept that continue gave us downtrend. You understand? After the liquidity swept that give us the downtrend, there is FEG here. So market is in what? Market is in demand zone and this is supply zone. So let's protect this FEG as what? Another opportunity. Market should come and close the FEG. This is another demand zone. Let's see if the market can come back, close the FEG, continue the uptrend. But we got to be patient here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. If you want to redivide this market, on 1 hour time frame, this is the break of structure we're having. This is the break of structure we're having. Internal break of structure. We're having internal break of structure again. Mhm. No. So this is what we are having. Let's see if the uptrend is still valid again or is not valid anymore. Let's see if the option is still valid. And our stop loss will be below here. You can see this uptrend. We guys be patient for this uptrend. You can see we guys be patient. Let's just take another. Let's see if you let's see if you can see another opportunity here. So This trade, I'm just pitying myself of this trade because this trade, let's just because there's key level here, there's multiple key level, there's weekly key level and what and daily swing high over there. You can see these are swing high here. Those are swing high here. These are swing high here. So we guys be patient. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. So we guys be patient on this market. Let's say stop loss over here. You can see 1:2. I bet how much this 1:2 is not. It's not even valid. Seriously, this market is not valid to take. It's not. I think it's 1:1 self. One reach something. I'm reaching 400 something to make 500 something. You can see this is the 500 550. Stop loss for 43. You are losing for 43 to miss one. This is 1:1, that ratio 2.4. So let's move to GJ. Let's see what GJ is trying to do. For monthly time frame on GJ, these are key level here. You can see the key level. This is where market is. So if market broken this place, definitely it will, all these key level have just when I'm doing backtesting on Saturday. I forgot to clean the but this almost I used to analyze it so that the time we know you understand. But this is it. These are multiple rejection. What's the decision? Multiple rejection. This is key level, turning point key level. You can see the turning point key level. So market react on it. These are multiple rejection key level first, second, and you can see. So this is what we are having. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our turning point now. These are our recent turning point skill here. These are turning point skill level here, and these are another turning point skill level you can see here. So let's see what this market is doing. And this is key level, monthly key level. So let's see if this market is still valid. So, but we are having what? We are having key level here. This is another key level over here. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to daily time frame. This is our swing high now, and this is our swing low now. And this is the demand zone that is trying to push the market upward. You can see the demand zone that is trying to push the market upward because this is the major break of structure. This is the major break of structure you can see. And this is the manual, and this is the internal break of structure, and these are minor demand zone, and these are daily demand zone. These are major demand zone. Minor here. And this is what we are having. But as for me, we inside that manual, inside that swing high and swing low. You can see this is swing high and this is the swing low. We have another break of structure. So if anything is trying to happen, this is another break of structure here. But let's just wait internal break of structure. But we guys wait for the market to break this higher high before we can say that this demand this sorry before we can say this demand is a major demand, but this will serve as a liquidity. But as for now, let's just continue the trend. Let's move to forward time frame. Let's see what 4 hours is trying to tell us. This is 4 hours trend. And this is where the market mitigated. This is the other block for me. This is the man zone, but on 1 hour time frame, it will turn to other block. As for me, you can see the market. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the market for you. This is 1 hour time frame. As for me, this is another block for me because this is what this is break. This is break of structure. Internal break of structure. And market has mitigated it. Let's move to 15 hour time frame. If we can continue the trend of 15 minute time frame, we can see the trend is going on 15 minute time frame itself. But because we can see what the market is doing on 15 minute time frame, there is no opportunity. So let's see where the supply is. We are expecting the market to break this. If market break this structure, definitely we will find where to continue the trend. But as for now, there is no place to join the trend. I cannot join this. I cannot join Shigwani. I cannot join this market for now. Sorry. So let's move to crypto. Let's see what crypto has for us. I'm coming. This is crypto now. Let's so this is what on crypto. Let's see what crypto has for us. Let's see what crypto has for us because for monthly time frame, this is what market is doing. You can see market is trying to retrace up. This is the last break of structure. This is the break of structure market mitigated, and this is the what? This is the on monthly time frame. You can see this is the Manzo market mitigated. On monthly time, but there is what there's another key there. Is what there's FEG. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is what the market is trying to do, and this is what this is supply on weekly time frame. You can see the supply on weekly time frame. Since the market is uptrend, this is the what this is the last, this is the main key level, but these are what recent key level here, recent key level here. Let's move to for daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. This is the what this is the recent swing high and recent swing high. You can see what the market is trying to do inside them, and this is the main supply. We are expecting the market to mitigate it. Supply. And let's just read this market. As for me, market has mitigated this FEG because what I'm seeing now, this is the let's just read the structure from daily time frame. This is the last break of structure on daily time frame. Last break of structure. Let just don't let us be biased. Let us we got look the market and see what the market is trying to do. And this is another break of structure. You can see this is the as for me, this is market shift for me. You can see the market structure shifts, and this is what after market mitigated this or demand zone of market structure shifts. You can see and what the market gave us other block, and market came back to this other block. This is serve as liquidity swept. This serve as liquidity swept. This serve as liquidity swept. After the liquidity swept, market give us break of structure. Yeah, this is the break of structure market give us here. After market give us break of structure, market turn this place to what change of character. Market theos change of character here. Let me use my face to win. It's my face to win. So see, you can see how we are reading the market. We guys focus on the market and read the market, what the market is trying to tell us. This is what the market is trying to tell us. And we have already market has already mitigated here. Market has already mitigated here. Let's just use this place as what? Order block for us. Break demand zone for us. Or change of character order block for us. So this is what I'm having now. Market has been in this here. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what we are seeing on 4 hour time frame. But 4 hour time frame is giving us giving us demand zone here. You can see the demand zone over here. It's giving us demand zone here, other block here. We can use other block or demand zone. So let's see if this place is going to push the market up, or market is coming here to push it up by itself. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to do. So this is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is trying to do for us. So we guys be patient. This is what this is, and let's just be waiting for the market. If we can see the uptrend, because this is what this is change of character. This is break of structure here, and we are seeing other block to downtrend here. We are seeing other block to downtrend here. So we are having uptrend over here. This is what we are having. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum is trying to do for us from 1 hour time frame. Yeah, but if market broken, definitely we are continuing the uptrend. But let's see. But if market broken this place, definitely we are continuing what we are expecting now is what market broken this place. Delete. Market broken this place like this. Market broken this place like this. Retest and continue that trend. Or market broken this place like this. Retest and continue the uptrend. This is what we are having. You can see this is what we are having. So let's see what is happening on Ethereum also. This is Ethereum. This. I think they are in the same. This is our key level here, and this is our key level also here. These are key level, make key level here. These are another major key level over here. Let's just see what the market is trying to do for us. So let's move to weekly time frame. These are recent key level here and our make key level over here. So we are having main supply, minor supply here, and let's just move to daily time frame. Let's see what the time frame is trying to tell. This is daily time frame for us. For me, this is market structure shift. Market structure shift, and you can see the swing high and the swing low. Markets has pretty mitigated this place. So market trade this liquidity here has been touching. So what we are having here, let's just read the structure. This is what I'm seeing over here. I'm seeing break of structure here and change of character over here. This is change of character, and I'm seeing what break of structure here. This is internal break of structure. This is an internal break of structure to downtrend. Low, and this is what we are having here. You can see the break of structure, this change of character. So you see, patience is the key in this market. All these people are already mitigated, and this is change of character. We are having what demand here. You can see the demand here. And if you notice on 1 hour time frame on crypto also on I say crypto on BTC also we plotted that demand also. Sorry, I want to show you. You can see this is demand. This is our change of character order block. But this is the what demand we plotted. You can see. So on sorry for that. On Ethereum, this is demand on daily time frame. So we are going higher. Let Sorry for that. I ate banana this morning, so that is why I'm just I don't know what they are calling this. She now we don't know. I don't know how they are calling it. Really, Gavi, abi, what do they call it? So we are having this is what we are having. We are having other block. We are having demand here on 4 hour time frame. Let's see if this demand is valid. But to take this demand, we must be what? We must be patient. Oh. You can say that we have the hard demand on what on BTC also. You can see the way we have demand and we are setting it here, which means on demand on crypto on BTC, our stop loss will be large. No, it's not going to be large. This stop loss, this big of your donor is not going to be large, and our stop loss will be here, and we are having the entry here. On crypto, on Ethereum, we are having an entry here, but our own stop loss will be large because this is the higher low that gave us that break of structure. You can see, and let's just split like this. But what we are having here, this is the break of structure here. But market is in this demand. Let's see what 1 hour is trying to give us. This is last break of structure on 1 hour time frame, and we are having break of structure, and we are having what other block here. So what we are having now is like what BTC gave us. We are expecting the market to break it down here before you can see bullish here, or we are expecting the market to break it, give us break before you can see what uptrend there. You can see what we are expecting in the market. This is what we are expecting in the BTC and Ethereum. This is what I'm seeing in the market today so far. So trader, please kindly don't forget to use proper risk management, and please stay patient. This is what we are saying. Stay patient. Me too, I'm staying patient. So far, I'm using the demo account. I'm not in a hurry to take trade. Oh. I'm staying patient to take the trade. So stay patient. This week is going to be our week. It's going to favor us. We are going to be successful in this trading journey and in that skills we are doing. This week is our week, and we are going to be successful. Thank you. Peace and love. Have a successful and peaceful day ahead. happy successful and peaceful and blessing week ahead. Thanks, peace and love. Love you.